Okay, so tell me, जो आज मैंने प्लान किया था वो हम लोग का जो 3 लेसन्स थे अबाउट द स्टॉलवर्ट्स मतलब इंडस्ट्री के जो बिजनेस के दुनिया में जो इंडियन पीपल हु वर स्टॉलवर्ट्स, वो चैप्टर हम लोगों ने नहीं किया था। बाकी क्लासेस में पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन हुआ था in which they had discussed. This is a very brief this thing about Narayan Murthy and about Dr. Subhash Chandra and so we are going to do all the 3 one by one. Okay. और भी किसी चीज में किसी को कोई डिफिकल्टी या कोई पार्ट अनकवर्ड है आपको लग रहा है? बिकॉज आई हैव गॉन थ्रू द सिलेबस अदर देन दीज 3 इंडस्ट्री स्टॉलवर्ट्स, इनके अलावा वी हैड कवर्ड द सिलेबस। सो लेकिन आप लोग देखिएगा एंड देख के प्लीज लेट मी नो व्हाट यू वांट रिवाइज्ड और व्हाट यू वांट टेकन अगेन। ओके, so is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just give me a moment while I pull up that section which I plan to do. Today we'll do the life of Narayan Murthy. Okay. और इन सब लोगों के लाइफ से हम लोग something we can take home, you know, some points. क्योंकि ये सब लोग
Good morning, sir.
ऐसा नहीं कि good morning संस्कार. So there's something that which we can take, which we can learn from them, their life experience and things, जो हम लोग अपने जिंदगी में इसका अनुसरण कर सकते हैं. We can follow that. And all these people, they were not like very rich or born in a very rich. They all had their difficult times. लेकिन वो difficult times को कैसे उन लोगों ने overcome किया, and they were able to adapt, and then they were able to adapt, they were able to overcome, and then they set their own course of action in the field of business. And meanwhile, I hope that all of you are all well and, you know, you're taking all the precautions. COVID appropriate behavior is being followed by all. अच्छा, उसके पहले मैं ये दिखाना चाहूँगा. See, this is the milestone that we have, right? So first section was the business letters, placing orders, registering complaints, complaint letter, routine letter, and then government correspondence.
Sir, screen share नहीं है sir.
Oh, sorry. Okay, now I think that you can all see the screen. और आज सुबह से बहुत डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रहा हूँ मैं बीच में. अगर मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाऊँ या मेरी आवाज ना मिले या तो मैं यहाँ पे अपना टीचिंग ऑन रखा हुआ है, तो प्लीज वापस आकर मेरे को कोई फोन करेगा. Suyash, you can give me a call and let me know that we have got disconnected. Sachin is still joining in. तो बीच में जब मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करने लगता हूँ ना और फिर कोई ज्वाइन करता है तो मुझे वापस जाकर उसको इन करना पड़ता. प्लीज ट्राई एंड attend the class on time, join the class on time. Okay, so now you can see it, right? Can you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So these are the topics that were there. जिस पे आप लोग का साइन ऑफ लिया वो मेरे पास हार्ड कॉपी है जो हम लोग कवर कर चुके हैं और उसको मैंने आज देखा. We had finished everything, but still आपके इसके लिए this was the business letter writing aspects. Then there was the government correspondence, and which had drafting of notices, memos, agenda, minutes, proposal, and followed by the next section, which was writing skills. जिसमें report writing में हम लोगों ने composition, argumentative style of writing, फिर composition, जो explanatory style of writing, जो हम we had done that. That style of writing explains or it gives you the reason. Then there was the descriptive style and narrative style. कथावाचक के रूप में, as if someone is telling a story. ये जो narrative style का writing. And then right now we are doing the short stories. Rahul Bajaj, Subhash Chandra, and Narayana Murthy. And followed by the preparation for a job, where we learned, हम लोगों ने किया था writing applications for jobs, preparing a CV. We had also done the difference between a CV and a resume, and then preparing for interview and GD. That will come in a later moment. We can also do that a little bit, but as of now, this is not very relevant. क्योंकि हम लोग आगे वाले classes में जब आप लोग 4th semester में जब पहुंचेंगे, तो IHS, interview handling skills, and I believe Sanjana ma'am is also taking classes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो उसमें आप लोगों ने क्या ये preparing for interviews या GD वो अभी नहीं शुरू हुआ होगा ना उनके द्वारा?
No, sir.
Yeah, because this actually is आप लोग interviews देने कब जाएंगे? 6th semester या 5th semester का जब ये होता है तो हम लोग इसको 4th semester से ही शुरू करते हैं, all other classes. So that will be taken up, and then जो पोदार सर का जो टॉपिक था वो vocabulary, indirect speech, and all that, and then we had words which are often confused. I think last we did this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Confusing words. So that covered the, and yes. So this was about Rahul Bajaj, but today we'll do Narayana Murthy.
Sir, the pen is waiting there.
Dipendra आता है, नया बंदा तो है नहीं, but he doesn't have his ID, doesn't have his roll number, so that will become difficult while taking the attendance. And Suyash, you please send me the screenshot of all the people, okay? All the students who are attending today's class. So ये एक brief outlook दूंगा. You can read this aspect on your own, और आपको कुछ अगर ऐसा लगे कि हाँ it is not comprehensible या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है इन लोगों के बारे में, you can always cross check. I will be happy to help you, but I am going through this again. One of the girls had met Subhash Chandra in person in a previous institution, right? Who was that girl?
Sanjali, sir.
Yeah, so is she not here today?
No, sir.
Okay. So Narayan Murthy, we all know that he is the founder of Infosys. So ये story जो है एक third person के way में लिखा गया. I met Narayan Murthy. So the writer, he talks about how he met Narayan Murthy about 10 years ago. So that was a long time when he met Narayan Murthy. Years ago, and we'll always remember the first time when we was staying at the Hyatt in Canberra. Canberra कोई बताएगा कहाँ पे है? Nobody.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. So Canberra is the capital of Australia, not Melbourne, not Sydney, and, not the other, state, the big cities where cricket is often played, and we all know the names of those cities by heart. But Canberra, जो है वो capital है Australia. तो वहाँ पे नारायण मूर्ति हयात में रुके हुए थे. Hyatt is a chain of hotels, and this gentleman who wrote, he was seated over there. So he asked to come back to the room and pick him up for a meeting we were attending. I knocked on his door and he invited me for a moment while he finished ironing his shirt. Now, ये एक बताता है कि while he finished ironing his shirt, ये क्या बताता है किसी व्यक्ति के बारे में? No idea. कुछ Dipender?
Yes, sir.
What does this tell us about Narayan Murthy? He is a financially independent person. He's staying in one of the finest hotels in Australia, Hyatt Group. And yet, वहाँ पे laundry service होती है, सब कुछ होता है. आप अपने कपड़े दीजिए, धुल के आते हैं. But he was ironing his own shirt. So he believes in doing things for himself. ये नहीं कि किसी subordinate या किसी के ऊपर ये कर दिया. He was ironing his own shirt. So he was a self-dependent man. He does all his personal chores या personal जो काम होते हैं दिनचर्या के वो खुद करते हैं. And he could have easily afforded it. He can afford to send it to give it to a servant or give it to the hotel laundry department. कि हाँ भाई ये धो करके और press करके लाइए. So that again speaks volumes about this gentleman. This is not what I accepted. Actually, this is wrong. This is not what I expected होना चाहिए था. ऐसा उम्मीद नहीं था इनको कि वो अपनी शर्ट खुद आयरन करें. For one of India's most successful businessmen. As I got to know and read about him, I gathered that little was predictable. उनके बारे में आप कुछ भी predict नहीं कर सकते थे कि हाँ वो ऐसा करेंगे, ऐसा करते हैं. He was very unpredictable. आज उनके मन में आया तो वो 2 किलोमीटर मीटिंग जहाँ पे थी वो अपनी गाड़ी वाले को बोले कि तुम यहीं रहो मैं पैदल जाऊंगा. That is unpredictable. So he was very unpredictable man about Murthy. And other than his integrity and modesty matlab simple. He doesn't have any airs about himself. Yo, मैं तो बहुत बड़ा successful businessman हूँ. I'm a big man. No, he does not believe in all that. And और ये जो प्रवृत्ति है, हाँ जी.
Sorry for disturbing, sir, but Sanjali is in waiting room.
यही प्रॉब्लम होता है ना, when I'm doing it on the phone I have to exit the screen and I have to go and 3 people are here. Please guys, I request you all to be on time. Like Suyash was logging in 10 minutes before, no not 10 minutes but at least 5 minutes before, because I got the notification. और time भी नहीं हुआ था जो मैंने दिया था. It is better to be early than late. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just turning the landscape view. के बारे में बताता है. ये पूरा simple man he was. And so when I met him at his office at the Infosys campus, I was not surprised to find him in a small interior office with no windows, with Western classical music. Finally, ये दूसरी बार उनसे मुलाकात करते हैं उनके बैंगलोर के ऑफिस में.
सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
सर आ रहे थे.
रिशु कहाँ है रिशु?
हेलो, उसके पीछे पड़ा हुआ है आदमी.
देखो सचिन अब ज्यादा हो रहा है, मजाक नहीं कर रहे हैं.
कौन है भाई सचिन, क्या मजाक कर रहा है? You know this call is being recorded. Please behave. So he was hunched over a desktop computer, finishing off an email. Hunched मतलब उसके ऊपर झुके हुए, उसके ऊपर पूरा झुके हुए, मतलब बैठे हुए और उसके ऊपर झुके हुए. Finishing off an email. So he returned with a welcoming smile that lights up his whole face. You see, one must greet even a man of his stature. वो पूरा खुशी उन्होंने जाहिर की कि वो कितना खुश थे इस पैसेज के राइटर से मिल करके. His whole face lit up. I remarked on this. उन्होंने बोला कि oh, face looking so happy, and he nods. Yes, my father used to say, success is when your eyes light up when you meet other people. देखो कितना अच्छा, जब आप दूसरों से मिलते हैं तो आपका आईज जो है वो एक रोशनी से भरपूर होता है, आपकी आंखें में चमक होती है. And when others' eyes light up when you walk into the room. So और जब आप किसी रूम में आप पहुंचते हैं तो आपको देख करके दूसरों की आंखों में एक चमक आ जाती है. I believe he was right. उनके पिताजी ये बात कहते हैं. The beauty of his philosophy is that it encompasses all people, rich or poor. ये उनका personality trait था, उनका व्यक्तित्व था. We then get back to when the smile started. He was born in 1946 in Sidlagata, his mother's town, 70 kilometers northeast of Bangalore, the capital of Karnataka. There were 8 children. So he had a large family, 8 children, 3 brothers and 5 sisters. Murthy as he is widely known, was the fifth child. His father, Ramarao, was a humble school teacher who taught physics, mathematics, and English. And as was the custom those days, was transformed within Karnataka every 3 or 4 years. So हर 3 या 4 इसमें customs वहां के बदलते थे. Sorry, and as was the custom, what he was transferred within Karnataka. So वैसा customary था वहां का. ये बना था कि उनके पिताजी का transfer हमेशा 3 या 4 साल पे होते रहता था. Every 3 or 4 years. When Murthy entered 10th grade, his family moved to Mysore and remained there until he completed his bachelor's degree in electrical engineering. तो उनके पिताजी इंग्लिश भी पढ़ाते थे लेकिन प्राइमरीली वो मैथमेटिक्स और फिजिक्स के टीचर थे. तो वो चीज नारायण मूर्ति ने भी आया, वो टैलेंट या वो एप्टीट्यूड, और उन्होंने इंजीनियरिंग किया, electrical engineering. I asked him, was it what it was like growing up in a house with 8 children? Oh, there were 11 people in the house, 8 children, my parents and my paternal grandmother. Paternal मतलब दादी, पिताजी की तरफ के जो रिलेशन होते हैं उनको पैटर्नल कहा जाता है, जो मदर की तरफ से रिलेशन होते हैं उनको मैटरनल कहा जाता है. तो नाना जी और नानी जी जो है मैटरनल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होंगे और बाबा और दादी पैटर्नल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होंगे. लेकिन यहाँ पे उनकी सिर्फ ग्रैंड मदर थी, उनकी दादी. In those days, we did not have modern conveniences, which meant my mother had to cook using wood. माता जी लकड़ी पे खाना बनाती थी. Not even charcoal, कोयला भी नहीं, wood. I think she must have spent almost 14 hours a day in the kitchen, from breakfast at 6 a.m. Parallel with that was she also had to make sure that water got heated because she had to take baths in the morning. सुबह में अगर नहाना है तो ठंडे पानी से कैसे कोई नहाएगा, तो उनकी माताजी पूरे घर वाले लोग के लिए गर्म पानी भी करती थी. Then there was lunch, afternoon tea, and big dinners as my father would often bring guests home unannounced. बिना खबर किए guests पहुंच गए, तो guest आए तो खाना पीना खिलाइए उनको. His mother was a very busy person, although she was a homemaker, but she had immense responsibilities. So it was not an easy life, but it was a lot of fun because we were so many kids. My father insisted that everybody eat together so that we could all have dinner together at around 8:30 p.m. We would sit on the floor and mother would serve all of us. ये एक साउथ इंडियन कस्टम भी है कि सब लोग जमीन पे बैठ करके और खाना खाते हैं. और उतने बड़े फैमिली के लिए कितना बड़ा डाइनिंग टेबल लाओगे आप, है कि नहीं? So all of them used to sit on the floor and they used to have their food, dinner. My father, his mother, and the 8 children. We would talk about the news of the day and give us his views on what was happening in the country and the world. Once in a while, he would ask questions to check if we were reading the newspapers or not. वो परीक्षा भी लेते थे, questions पूछ के. So he was very keen that we do so. He was very keen. Keen मतलब वो बहुत चाहते थे. He was very eager. किसी चीज को बहुत बारीकी से चाहना. That means you're keen. So while my father was flexible on many things, one thing was non-negotiable. इसमें कोई समझौता नहीं. Non-negotiable मतलब इस पे कभी भी समझौता नहीं. क्या चीज था भाई वो? We had to study for a certain number of hours every day. On this, he would not tolerate any slip up. इस पे वो कोई compromise करने को तैयार नहीं थे. एक certain number of hours उन लोग को सब लोग को पढ़ना होता था, and he would not compromise. So I asked Murthy, I meaning the writer of this story or this passage, I asked Murthy about the living conditions of his family, and he chuckles. Chuckles मतलब हंस के जवाब देना. At the memory. In most of the houses where we live, we had 2 bedrooms, and most of us slept in the drawing room. It was fun. Frankly, I tell you, today we have reasonably big house, and only my wife and I live here because both our children are studying in the US. And you know, I don't have the same level of pleasure that we had when we were all together. ये होता है एक फैमिली में सब लोग जब मिल करके रहते हैं. वहां पे हो सकता है धक्का मुक्की हो, ड्राइंग रूम में सोना पड़ता है, मेरा अपना पर्सनल रूम नहीं है. आज की डेट में क्या है, हम सब लोग क्रिप करते हैं, कंप्लेन करते हैं कि आई विश आई हैड माय पर्सनल जोन, माय पर्सनल रूम. है कि नहीं? Am I right or am I wrong?
Right, sir.
Right. Dipender?
Most probably right.
No, you can tell about yourself. Most probably शायद आप सही हैं, लेकिन मैं तुम्हारे बारे में पूछ रहा हूँ कि क्या तुम इंडिपेंडेंट रूम पसंद करोगे कि अपने भाई बहनों के साथ एक ही रूम शेयर करना पसंद करोगे?
Share, not
Share.
independent.
Oh, very good. So that means you are unique. Your personality is unique. You like to share your room with your brothers and sisters. But most people I know,
Yes, siblings.
they
Yes, sir.
they always complain कि यार जगह नहीं है, ये नहीं है, there's nothing. So और आज वो कहते हैं कि मेरे पास एक बड़ा सा घर है, उसमें सिर्फ मैं और मेरी पत्नी रहते हैं, जो मेरे बच्चे बाहर रहते हैं, लेकिन वो मजा मुझे नहीं है. स्पेस तो बहुत, लेकिन वो दिन जो मैंने अपने भाई बहनों के साथ रह करके एंजॉय किया था एक छोटे से घर में, वो आज मजा नहीं है. I enjoyed those days better. So he explained his father was quite a disciplinarian. Discipline में वो believe करते थे. So he explained his father was quite a disciplinarian. इसलिए तो इन्होंने इतना अच्छा किया. And जितने बजे तक सोना है सो, और डिसिप्लिन अगर पेरेंट्स नहीं इनकलकेट करें अपने बच्चों में, तो वो कभी पढ़ने लिखने या वक्त का कीमत नहीं समझेगा वो.
Yes, sir. Punctual नहीं बनेगा.
So he would tell us once. The second time he would warn us. चेतावनी देते थे. पहली बार मजे में वो बोलते थे. Second time चेतावनी देते थे. And if we made a mistake a third time, he would beat the hell out of us. The spanking, पिटाई भी होती थी. ठीक है. So Murthy says with a laugh, but he was always affectionate. He was very affectionate. बहुत प्यार करते थे. Affectionate, ये word, I wish you use it sometimes. आप लोग कहीं ना कहीं इसको find place to use this. Affectionate. So I can see how all Dipender Kumar has entered the waiting room. वो exit कर गया था. Just 1 minute, please, sir. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me switch to the landscape. Dipender, please write your ID and your roll number.
Okay, sir.
So he was a strict discipline. He was very affectionate. प्यार दुलार भी, लेकिन अगर बात कहने पे नहीं माने कोई, तो पिटाई भी. एक शेक्सपियर का एक saying है, उन्होंने एक प्ले में यूज किया था. I don't know if you've heard of it. वो कहते थे, उन्होंने कहा था, spare the rod, spoil the child. यानी spare मतलब उसको इस्तेमाल ना करो, rod को, पिटाई करने वाला जो डंडा है. If you spare the rod, then you spoil the child. यानी पिटाई जरूरी होती है, ये विलियम शेक्सपियर का कहना. So he was very particular about I can see now how all the things that he insisted on helped quite a lot in life. तो वो नारायण मूर्ति को बहुत हेल्प किया, मदद किया, जो वो चीज सिद्धांत बना करके वो इम्प्लीमेंट कराते थे अपने बच्चों से. He was very particular about honesty, integrity and about discipline. इंटेग्रिटी मतलब जो झूठ नहीं बोलना, ऑनेस्टी से ही मिलता जुलता वर्ड है. आप अपने काम के साथ इंसाफी करेंगे, वो इंटेग्रिटी होता है. एंड अबाउट डिसिप्लिन, ही वाज आल्सो वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट रिस्पेक्टिंग एल्डर्स एंड टीचर्स. आई होप यू आल्सो फॉलो दिस, all the students of this class. So it was a typical old-fashioned value system. ये पुराने आज के डेट में लोग कहते हैं कि ये old-fashioned है, but no, he, or rather Narayan Murthy's father, he believed, he was an old-fashioned man and he believed in old-fashioned principles or values, which is in Australia, India and everywhere. ऐसा लोग कहते हैं नारायण मूर्ति अपना ऑस्ट्रेलिया या सब लोगों को, लेकिन फैक्ट है कि abroad respect has a different meaning. So being teacher, I wondered if his father had any vision of careers in his children should follow. मतलब जो बहुत से के पेरेंट्स जो है ना, वो थोपते हैं या एक विजन होता है कि मेरा बच्चा ये बने, मेरा बेटा ये बने. वो बेटा क्या बनना चाहता है या बेटी क्या बनना चाहती है, उस पे जोर नहीं होता. माता पिता के भाई ये बने, तो वही वो जानना चाहते हैं कि did he have a vision? His father had hoped Murthy to become a civil servant, यानी एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव IAS ऑफिसर या BPSC करके एक स्टेट में एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर, to become a civil servant, which at that time was considered the top job. His father had also wanted to become a civil servant. अब यहाँ पे ही ये लाइफ का एक्चुअली होता है, जो पिताजी जो चीज बनना चाहे वो नहीं बनते हैं आज की डेट में भी किसी के फादर, तो वो चाहते हैं कि उनका बेटा वो चीज बन के उनके सपने पूरे करे. लेकिन उनके बेटे के सपने के बारे में क्या, या उनकी बेटी के सपने के बारे में क्या, है ना? So I'm sure you'll know what I'm talking about if you remember the movie Three Idiots. When someone is born, उसी टाइम में इंजीनियर फरहान कुरैशी उसका नाम हो गया, अभी वो पैदा हुआ है. तो ऐसा हम लोग के जो वैल्यू सिस्टम में बहुत चलता है in the Indian this thing. But now parents also becoming very broad-minded and they say that no, he will become what he has to, what he likes. I will not force him. But यहाँ पे मूर्ति, but he did not force him. It doesn't appear as if Mr. Murthy's father forced him. He would like to. वो चाहते थे कि बने, लेकिन इससे उन्होंने कोई बहुत जबरदस्ती या जोर जबरदस्ती नहीं किया. Murthy laughs, remembering that his grandmother did not want her son to go. Sorry, I missed one line. The only hitch was that during the pre-independence days, he would have to travel to England for the exam. अब सोचो, इंग्लैंड के लोगों ने जब हमारे देश पे राज किया तो उन लोगों ने कंपल्सरी बना दिया. वो इंडिया में एग्जाम्स नहीं होते थे, आपको एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पोस्ट के लिए जाना था. You have to go to England and then appear for the exam. Subhash Chandra Bose, he was one gentleman who traveled to England, appeared for the exam, passed, joined the services, and then resigned. He quit and became a freedom fighter. तो उन्होंने ब्रिटिश सर्विस को, जिसपे सब लोग आगे पीछे ये करते थे, उन्होंने नकार दिया उसको. और लेकिन ये भी इंग्लैंड जाना पड़ता, और इनकी मदर जो है वो नहीं चाहती थी कि उनका बेटा वो इंग्लैंड जाए, विदेश जाए, because of the Hindu belief that one became impure if one crossed the seas. ये मान्यता बहुत टाइम तक था, का जाति भ्रष्ट, आपका धर्म भ्रष्ट और सब कुछ ऐसा, इसलिए वो नहीं चाहती थी कि उनका बेटा जाए विदेश, वो नहीं गए। Murthy believes his father hoped for at least a couple of civil servants and maybe a lawyer, मतलब उनके बच्चे, he hoped for कि 2-3 बच्चे मेरे सिविल सर्विस में निकालें, एक वकील बने। Having one son-in-law was a big thing, as it was a well-respected profession with good earning potential. Other than, I don't think he had any other dreams for us. और कोई सपने नहीं थे उनके पिताजी के, बस कि भाई 2-3 बच्चे जो हैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विस में चले जाएं और जो बाकी बच्चे हैं उसमें से 1-2 वकील बन जाएं। Murthy then recounts another of his father's disciplinarian streak when he came 4th in the state out of 3 lakh students for his 11th standard exams. Wow, he was a brilliant scholar. 3 lakh लोगों में 4th, like senior Cambridge. He rushed to tell the other 3 positions. I was not upset. My father passed it off as an expression of affection and encouragement. Right? So, actually Narayan Murthy, he had come क्लास 11 के एग्जाम में वो 4th आए थे 3 लाख स्टूडेंट्स में, और जब वो खूब खुश होकर वो भागे अपने पिताजी को बताने के लिए। So my father passed off as an expression of affection and encouragement. I saw it as an expression of disappointment. तो उनको लगा कि उनके पिताजी दुखी थे, वो चाहते थे कि वो नंबर 1 फर्स्ट आते हैं पूरे 3 लाख स्टूडेंट्स। Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So Murthy went on to study electrical engineering at National Institute of Engineering, Mysore. Because Mysore है, इसको हिंदी में लोग मैसूर बोलते हैं इसको, मैसूर। तो इसमें स्पेलिंग जो है वो Mysore, but it's actually मैसूर, because he was English.
So English में थोड़ा different spelling रहता है ना?
हाँ, spelling different
Wording.
रहता है।
Yes, sir.
Because he was reasonably good in mathematics, काफी अच्छे थे maths में. He found the course fascinating, made even more fascinating because he had a wonderful professor, Professor Rao, किसी उनके professor का नाम था, who taught them in particular about electromagnetism, circuits, television, motors, यानी induction motor, and generators. ये सब के बारे में प्रोफेसर राव जो हैं वो उनको काफी ज्ञान उनको दी है, और उनके बहुत अच्छे टीचर थे, वो फेवरेट टीचर। He liked the teacher, he liked the subject, so he was very happy. Narayan Murthy. I inquired how he made ends meet while he was a student. Ends meet मतलब वो अपना खर्चा रहने जाने का कैसे मीट करते थे। So how he would meet, because his father was just a school teacher and with such a large family. So he explained that there was no concept of pocket money. ऐसा कुछ था नहीं कि आपको जेब खर्च मिलता था, and few opportunities for students to work. आज के इसमें इंडिया में तो अभी भी कम है, लेकिन फॉरेन कंट्रीज में, अमेरिका में लोग पढ़ाई करते हैं और पार्ट टाइम जॉब करते हैं कहीं भी. So you can earn and you can learn both at the same time. So in any event, his father's salary was only around rupees 150 per month. So there was no spare money to give out as pocket money. But Murthy went on to explain how from his high school days, the government had initiated a scholarship scheme for the first 10 students in the state. And he received 50 rupees a month, being 1/3 of his father's salary as a headmaster. So 1/3 तो उनको मिल जाता था 50 रुपए। अपने पिताजी के 1/3 of his salary he used to get in scholarships. Needless to say, Murthy contributed amongst all of his back into the family kitty, but kept a little for treats such as going out to the movies. अब बताओ, तो 50 रुपीस भी जो उनको मिलता था, उसमें से मैक्सिमम पैसा वो अपने घर वालों को दे देते थे। थोड़ा सा वो अपना बचा के रखते थे पिक्चर देखने के लिए। So Mr. Murthy was a big fan of movies. Of my life, 5-year degrees, I decided I wanted to become an engineer in hydroelectric power plant. जो जलीय विद्युत होता है, पहाड़ों पर से नदी को नीचे उतारता है, डैम बनाया जाता है। डैम तिलैया डैम है अपने झारखंड में, तो उससे पानी से बिजली पैदा किया जाता है।
सर हीराकुंड भी डैम है ना?
हाँ, हीराकुंड में, उड़ीसा में है ना वो।
यस सर।
मैं सोचा कि बिहार से सबसे नजदीक डैम जो है वो तिलैया डैम, हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक। और बाकी तो यहाँ पे
पहले वो बिहार में ही था।
So हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर्स, बिकॉज वो क्यों काम करना चाहते थे इसमें? बिकॉज वो हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर क्लीन था, वहां पे न कोयला का न डीजल का गंदगी या प्रदूषण, ये सब कुछ नहीं था। लोकेटेड इन वैलीज where it is green and fertile, I figured life would be wonderful. Like ऐसे जगह में green और खूब अच्छे जगह में काम करने में बड़ा मजा आएगा। However, when I came to my final year, as I had stood number 1 in my class all along, my professor urged me to consider studying for a master's degree post-graduation. After considerable thought in 1967, I agreed and moved to IIT Kanpur. Like most Indians of that time, I had never seen a computer until I got there. I decided to take control theory as my subjects for my graduate studies, as it involved a lot of maths, which was one of my strengths. Maths and the strength था। तुम लोग का भी है? किसका है मैथ्स सबसे अच्छा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट?
मेरा सर।
क्या नाम है आपका? I can't see you, na? I can't hear your voice. What is your name? सुयश, सुन पा रहे हो?
यस सर।
कौन बोला मेरा? तो मेरा कौन बोला?
तो दीपेंद्र बोल रहा था सर।
Oh, दीपेंद्र, अच्छा अच्छा। Good for you. So I loved my time at Kanpur. It was a wonderful place. It was like typical American university in the sense that the rules of the game were as flexible as an American university. तो वहाँ के rules जो थे, जो कानून कायदे, वो बहुत लचीले थे, flexible. ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं तो ऐसे कर दो, ऐसे नहीं तो ये कर दो। अच्छा, प्रोजेक्ट अभी नहीं दे पा रहे हो, ठीक है, तो हम तुमको 5 दिन का एक्सटेंशन और दे देते हैं। तो ये फ्लेक्सिबल रूल्स का एक एग्जांपल हुआ। So one could take course from humanities or courses from electrical engineering or mathematics as long as you completed your mandatory course. यानी जो प्राइम सब्जेक्ट्स है जो वो आप कंप्लीट कर लिए, उसके बाद आपको सब्सिडियरी सब्जेक्ट्स में आप कुछ भी ले सकते थे, आर्ट्स के भी सब्जेक्ट ले सकते थे। One semester into my control theory course.
Sir, you have left one paragraph.
Oops.
Sir, IIT Kanpur was supported by. You left this paragraph.
IIT Kanpur was supported by 8 American universities, including MIT. MIT? कौन सा है? पता है आपको? MIT is a very world-renowned university. It's called the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. Massachusetts.
USA में है?
मैसेच्यूसेट्स एक स्टेट है.
ओके सर.
So वहाँ का बहुत फेमस, आज के डेट में भी it produces very renowned scholars in the field of engineering.
यस सर. टॉप 100 में इंडिया का आईआईटी भी नहीं आता है.
So including MIT, Caltech, Princeton, Michigan and Berkeley, and was set up under a program called the Kanpur Indo-American Program, resulting from an agreement between President Kennedy and Prime Minister Nehru. इन लोगों ने करके एक कोलैबोरेट किया था इन सब यूनिवर्सिटीज को मिलकर के. वहां पे इनको बहुत अच्छा लगा and he completed the mandatory courses. So I'm coming to the next paragraph because we had completed that. One semester into my control theory course, I went to my hostel one Sunday morning for my breakfast. At one table, I saw an American professor with half a dozen students sitting around him. On an impulse, I went over and joined them. He was talking about the new thing called computers. उस जमाने में 67-68 में एक नया चीज था. पहली बार नारायण मूर्ति ने उनसे नाम सुना, कंप्यूटर, and told us how they would change our lives, what role they would play in the future, and so on. He suggested 4 or 5 papers for us to read. Papers मतलब न्यूज़पेपर नहीं है, ये रिसर्च पेपर्स, ठीक है, जो लोग रिसर्च करते हैं, शोध करते हैं उस पे, तो वो वाला पेपर्स. I went straight to the library after breakfast. देखो ये होता आदमी में तुरंत, उसने वहां बोला, ब्रेकफास्ट किए और सीधे लाइब्रेरी में, यहाँ वहां टाइम नहीं वेस्ट किया उन्होंने, and read those papers. सीधे वो पेपर्स लाइब्रेरी में थे, उसको निकाला उन्होंने और पढ़ा. By the evening, I had decided to change my field of study to computer science. वो पेपर्स उन्होंने पढ़ा और उसके बाद उन्होंने एक फैसला ले लिया कि मैं अपना फील्ड चेंज करूंगा, कंप्यूटर साइंस लूंगा. I remarked that it is amazing how it seems there's a single event that changes the course of a person's life. शायद वो वहां पे ब्रेकफास्ट करने नहीं पहुंचे होते, या आधा घंटा लेट गए होते, या आधा घंटा पहले गए होते, तो वो अमेरिकन का उन्होंने कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं सुना होता. और कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं सुना होता तो वो पेपर जो लाइब्रेरी में हमेशा से रखा हुआ था, वो जाके उसको पढ़ते नहीं, और नहीं पढ़ते तो शायद आज इन्फोसिस में वो उन्होंने एस्टैब्लिश नहीं किया होता. हो सकता है कोई हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक कंपनी को वो एस्टैब्लिश किए होते जो पानी से विद्युत बनाता है. So that is one incident which changed his entire life. Infosys more likely would never have been founded, Murthy agreed. वही मैंने जो अभी कहा बिना पढ़े, शायद वो हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक बनाते या कुछ करते होते, लेकिन because he read that paper and he changed his course. Murthy finished his master's degree in 1969 as an IIT Kanpur was in those days the only place in India where one could do masters in computer science. वही एकमात्र जगह था. He had several job offers. Murthy adds, can you believe it? At that time, there were only 15 people in India who had a master's degree in computer science. अब बताओ, आज के डेट में सब लोग कंप्यूटर साइंस में ले रहा है. In the 69, there were only 15 people in the whole of India. But then fate played another hand in Murthy's game as he met by chance Professor Krishnaiya from the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, who talked about his plan to bring a time-sharing computer system to the institute. He wove a wonderful story. Wove मतलब बुनना, जो बुनते हैं वो weave कहते हैं. Weave का past tense wove. The power of the same power sharing, time-sharing computer system. I know about the technical term of it, but he talked about how it would be used for managers to do a total simulation, to play a lot of management games, and to do a lot of what if analysis. तो ये कंप्यूटर के थ्रू ये इनको एक्सपोजर मिला उस IIM के प्रोफेसर के थ्रू. Hey guys, I can't see the watch on my because I'm screen sharing. What is the time like?
So 1
1:08.
So I have time till 1:10 or something, and then I have to go for BSc IT. So Murthy believes that one of the most important decisions he made in his life, as it took him immediately to the cutting edge means the most recent, कोई नया आदम technology जो होता है ना उसको कहते हैं cutting edge technology. So this is the cutting edge of what was happening globally in the field of computer science. There was because time sharing system were coming into their own at the time. I also had
सर का वॉइस नहीं आ रहा.
So your voice is not coming.
हेलो सर. क्या हो सचिन?
सॉरी भाई जो तेरे पीछे में बोलते हैं.
सर चले गए BSc IT में. सर छोड़ दे भाई, रहने दो.
The class is over. Everybody can leave.
मेरा होश
देखा?
नहीं है.
ए सर ने
मीटिंग एंड कर दो.
सर बोले हैं
हाँ हाँ फोन पे बात हो गया सर से.
मेरा अटेंडेंस बना दो सब दिन का.
हाँ हाँ 3.5 एब्सेंट करना है ना. ठीक है
रे
भाई. होस्ट भी कौन बनाया? मेघा आवाज आ रहा है? तो मीटिंग एंड करो.
दिल से बोले तो दीपेंद्र बहुत साला कमीना आदमी है.